Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is New Kicks Cafe and it's all about them kicks. So in this one I am going to unbox the Jordan 1 Lows. I think the ghost green one. It was on Sneakers app and I really wanted it. Green is my favorite color. I have a few, but that one tops everything. So when I saw it, I was like, I need to get this. Unfortunately, I didn't get it. But then I walked into a store, into Atmos, the store in New York, and I saw it. So I was like, okay, do you guys have a 10? And they said yes. So I picked it up and I was like, I am super excited. I mean, I could see why the green is what it is. So that's why you see the white paper bag. So this is from Atmos. So we're just gonna unbox that. And let me apologize for the noise. There's a like a mini park right below my window. So there's a lot of things there making noise. So, and I'm just gonna make the video this trip. Alright, first thing. So same red box, and for some reason when I buy shoes from Atmos, the boxes always seem to be damaged, because this one is damaged as well. Right here and here, but it's not as bad as the first one. So this is a size 10. Excited. I am excited about this one. Nice. Alright, so that's that. I wanted this thing so much, it's not even funny how I wanted this. This is cool. I actually think this one looks like premium. For that reason I wanted the shoes, because it looks different. It looks like something, let's see if I can give you a close up, because I could see why it is ghost green, because it's not that. You would see pictures and the pictures doesn't do it that justice, because it looks very bright, but it's a very thin shade of green, but it's very subtle, very nice, elegantly put together. So it's the ghost green and the white, and then the threading and the logo here has a bright, almost like neon looking green, like bright lime green looking one. So that's that. And then you got the Jordan crest here, which is in the black, and then in the tongue here you got some characters, some detail, see that? And then on the inside it has Nike Air, the Swoosh, like Air. So it's got those almost like checker thing. This thing is cool. I like, and like the edge of it is like raw sponge, like here, like real raw sponge. You can see that. These are cool, and it comes with 3 lace. So the white, the lime green. They might call it something as black. So I'm super excited about this one. I mean, God, I was so excited when I saw the thing on Sneakers app, and just want to see this. So wanted to get it. So I got it. And it's pretty damn cool. Let me say that. So and they're silver. So the back is silver and black with a crest here, so some detail to that. But I was so excited just to see these. You want to know how excited I was. And then the inside of it is the lime green color and all of that, so that's cool. And the whole tongue is like sponge, like it's like raw sponge, like stitched with different threads and all of that. So this is pretty I wanted it so much. Anyway, I got it right. Yeah. So anyway, and then the bottom is black, and then you got the insole. The sole is white. All of that. So just give you a close look. That looks, then this can right. Yeah, that looks better. Nice. So that's a little better. Great. God, this is cool. I love this. I really, really love this. I'm digging this. Like, seriously. Just kind of. I'm glad I did get it. Alright. So that's we're gonna try it, and then that's the neck on top of it. Alright. So we're gonna try these and then see how it fits. Alright. So we'll be back shortly. Okay guys, welcome back. So God, these are comfortable, like nice, comfortable, and I mean the material is very premium. For some reason here looks very, I don't know, because it feels almost like a very soft leather. So it's like this part is very almost velvetish, like feel like velvet, let's put it that way. And then this is a much more firm leather, like this, like here, but then here's a little softer, has like a nice soft feel to it, texture to it. So then it has almost like like wizard mark or something. I'm not sure if I'm explaining that right. Come on, focus. I wanted you to see that, but maybe that won't happen. But these are super comfortable, loving them. I am excited that I get these. These are personal pairs, and I just wanted these because they look different from all the other random Jordan 1 lows all over the place. It just looks different, and I kind of wanted one of those. So wow, I love these. So a little bit more close up of this one. So that looks, yeah. Alright, that's how it looks. That's the back of it. Nice. Alright. So. Nice. Alright, I appreciate you watching and watch me ramble about sneakers and lovely days. Alright, and I apologize again for any background noise you might hear of kids playing. I have a park below my window, so that's the reason why there's a noise. But I appreciate this, loving these, and these are short keeps, man. Alright, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. I appreciate you. Please